Karibu to another video, and we are doing an upgrade to our VW Kombi seats. And so we got the seats from off, the donor seats are off at W124, and we're gonna try and fit them on the bus. So basically they sit different, they sit too high on the bus, so we're gonna be doing a bit of modification. As you can see, they sit way too high, so it's very difficult, they're very uncomfortable as they have, so we have to sort of weld off some parts of the seat so that we can try and sort of have a level fitting, so they can sort of sit on the we can fit them nicely together. So we're doing a bit of welding, and then we're gonna have to modify to where the the seats lock, rather, where we're gonna have to bolt them up. And so far it went so well. So basically, as you can see, we've already had to modify where the bolts are gonna go. And the only tricky part was basically not blocking the air vents, because the VW Kombi is an air cooled engine, and the air comes in from the front through the vents to the back. That's how the engine cools, because it doesn't have a radiator, right? So these vents, you're by all means, don't block the vents. Gonna have engine troubles much later. So as you can see now, we have the seats sort of fitted nicely. These are the old seats, really dilapidated. They're very bad. But I'm gonna fix these seats much later and take them back on the bus. So I'm gonna take them for upholstery, and then I'm gonna have to bring them back on the bus much later. But now, in the meantime, this is gonna have to work, and because we have so much to do on the bus. And honestly, yeah. And these are the white walls we got for the bus. They're size 14. The Atlas size 14 now white walls. They're actually off Amazon. They're not very expensive on Amazon, but shipping them to Kenya, it's gonna cost you a bit. Yeah, so easy DIY. You can do it yourself. You can just basically you sort of take the wheels off and fix them. It's easy peasy. And so here are the seats, final position, how they sit. uh a bit higher than the normal Kombi seats, but I honestly, I find this seats more comfy than the Kombi seats. I don't know, that's just my opinion. And here are the white walls, the final look. So thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, and I'm gonna be back with another video much later. So peace.